I lie here, half asleep, glancing out my bedroom window. The sun's rays glisten and dance on the cars that drive down my street. I have no idea what time it is, and at a certain level, I have no interest in knowing. Nothing truly changes out in the world. Sure, the sun may change into the moon, and the rain to snow. And though the scenery may change, the actors stay the same. This person kills another. Corporations are using and abusing the consumer. The government fails to protect its constituents. Someone set us up the bomb. The news headlines repeat this ad nauseum, sandwiched between the local events and the sports pages. I could read a story verbatim without even looking at a newspaper. On the other end of the spectrum, blind faith given to celebrities. Spoiled celebritantes are only famous for being famous. Pop culture scientists and business figureheads spouting facts of dubious value and placed upon its pedestal because of previous fame or appearances in the pop culture loop. All are false philosophers, pushing advice that would benefit those of stature, but not the actual audience to which they preach. What good is a formal educational system if we allow our history and research to be superseded by someone with a microphone, but no interest in the topic which they promote? We sometimes get new technological advancements. However, if it's not a new phone or gaming system, am I even allowed access to it? We can go to the stars, we are told. But who are we, though? No one that is not either gifted and well-connected, or doesn't have millions of dollars to waste self-aggrandizing. We can cure all manner of diseases and replace nearly the entirety of the human body. But again, you may need millions of dollars over the course of your life to reap and keep those benefits. You may well have to bankrupt yourself just to continue to live. Does this mean you are worth more dead than alive? What does this mean for humanity if this is the case? We are all just cogs in the machine, however. This knowledge does nothing to bring me solace. I am merely here the same as the oligarchy in which I'm rallying against. However, on a much smaller scale. Things would be no different under me than they are now, yet I am still here. I will always be here.